Google just dropped the most powerful AI agent ever built. This thing doesn't just talk, it does stuff. It browses, plans, takes action for you, and it connects to your email, your calendar, your whole life. Stay right here because this changes everything, okay? So Google just did something massive, and most people have no idea what it actually means. You see a headline, they scroll past it, and they miss the whole thing. But you're here, so let me break this down in plain English. No jargon, no fluff, just what this is, why it matters, and how you can actually use it. Here's the key thing to understand. There's a big difference between a chatbot and an agent. A chatbot answers questions. You type something, it talks back. That's it. An agent actually does things. It takes a task, figures out the steps, goes and does them, and comes back with results. That's what Google just released. And it's not one tool. It's a whole connected system of agent tools built around Gemini. Let me paint the picture. Imagine you run a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. Every day you've got tasks piling up, research to do, emails to write, content to plan, new members to onboard, competitor analysis to run. That stuff takes hours, and most of it is repetitive. You already know what needs to happen, you just don't have the time to do it all. That's exactly what Google's new agent system is built for. Instead of you sitting there prompting an AI and copy-pasting the answer somewhere, the agent handles full workflows, doesn't just give you information, it acts on it. And that shift from AI that talks to AI that works is the most important thing happening in tech right now. Google is calling this move toward what they call agentic AI. The core idea is simple. You give it a goal. It figures out how to reach that goal, breaks it into steps, uses the tools it has access to, and gets it done. Like having a really smart assistant who actually follows through. Before we go deeper, quick word. If you're building a business or a brand and you want to know exactly how to use AI tools like this to save time, grow faster, and automate the boring stuff, that's exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where serious entrepreneurs and creators learn to put AI to work in their business. Practical stuff, use cases, step by step. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Now back to Google. The first big piece of this update is what Google calls the Gemini Agent. This is built for multi-step personal tasks, meaning you don't just ask it one question, that you give it a bigger job and it handles the whole thing. Think about this practically. Say you want to research the best AI automation tools for growing a membership community like the AI Profit Boardroom. Normally you'd spend an hour searching, reading articles, taking notes, comparing options. With Gemini Agent, you just describe what you need. Goes out, browses the web, gathers the information, organizes it, and brings it back to you in a usable format. That's one example. The same logic applies to writing outlines, planning campaigns, drafting emails, pulling competitor data, any task with multiple steps that used to eat your time. The reason this is powerful is because it removes the back and forth. You're not managing the process. You're just telling it the outcome you want. And it handles the how. Next up is deep research. This one is a serious upgrade for anyone who creates content, runs a business, or makes decisions based on information. Deep research is Google's autonomous research tool. You give it a topic or a question, and it goes and researches it properly. Not just a quick search. It goes deep. It reads multiple sources, cross-references information, and builds you a full research report. Deep Research Max takes this even further with more sources, more depth, and better synthesis. Here's a real example for you. Say you want to put together a full breakdown of AI automation trends for your AI Profit Boardroom members. You want to show them what's working, what's changing, what tools are getting traction. That used to take serious time. You'd have to go and find the sources yourself, read through everything, figure out what's relevant, and write it all up. With deep research, you describe what you want, it does the legwork, and you get back a structured report you can actually use. Post it in the community. Turn it into a video. Use it to inform your next workshop. The time you save is real. Now let's talk about the business side, because this is where it gets really interesting for anyone running a team or a growing operation. Gemini Enterprise is Google's workplace automation layer. It connects directly into Google Workspace, so Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and brings the agent into your actual work environment. It can draft emails for you, summarize long documents, pull data from spreadsheets, and turn it into a clear summary. Help you prepare for meetings by reviewing relevant documents ahead of time. And it does all of this inside the tools you're already using every day. Think about what that looks like for something like the AI Profit Boardroom. You could have Gemini helping manage member communications, drafting onboarding emails, summarizing feedback from the community, pulling together weekly reports on what content is performing. All of that happening inside your existing Google Workspace setup. No new tools to learn, no switching between apps. It just works inside what you already have. This matters because a lot of AI tools feel like extra work. You have to go somewhere new, set things up, copy stuff across. Gemini Enterprise removes that friction. It meets you where you already are. Now, this section is for the builders and the developers. If you like to get under the hood and build things, pay attention. Google released something called ADK, the Agent Development Kit. This is for developers who want to build their own multi-agent systems, meaning you can create a whole network of AI agents that work together. One agent handles research, another handles writing, another handles scheduling, and they all talk to each other and hand off tasks automatically. For the AI profit boardroom, this opens up a wild opportunity. You could build a system where one agent monitors what's trending in AI, another pulls together resources on that trend, another drafts a post or a newsletter about it, and another schedules it to go out. The whole pipeline runs on its own. That's not a fantasy. That's what ADK is built to enable. If you're not a developer, you don't need to build this yourself. But understanding what's possible tells you what to look for as these tools mature and become accessible to everyone. Okay? Let's be honest for a second, because I don't want you to walk away thinking this is all perfect and ready to go right now. Some of these features are still early. We're rolling out gradually. Enterprise features need a Google Workspace subscription. Deep Research Max is a premium tier. ADK requires technical know-how to build with properly. And like any AI system, these agents can make mistakes. They can misunderstand instructions, pull the wrong information, or take a wrong step in a multi-step task. You still need to review what they produce. The opportunity is real. The direction is clear. Going all in without testing and verifying is not the move. Start small. Test one feature. See what results you get. Build from there. The shift from AI that answers to AI that acts is genuinely happening right now. Google is not the only player, but this release shows they are moving fast and building seriously. And if you understand what's coming before most people do, you can get ahead of it. Wrap this up. Google just released a connected system of AI agent tools. Gemini Agent handles multi-step personal tasks. Deep Research does autonomous research workflows. Gemini Enterprise brings AI automation into your Google Workspace. And ADK lets developers build whole networks of agents that work together. This is the shift from AI that talks to AI that works. And it's happening now. If you want to stay ahead of all of this and actually learn how to use AI tools like these to grow your business and save serious time, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where entrepreneurs and creators who are serious about AI come to learn, share what's working, and grow together. Practical strategies, real use cases, and a community of people who are actually doing it. Link is in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab, our free AI community. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 67,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about Google's new agent update, and I'll see you in the next one.